So coming to the previous class, I discussed about what is Apex programming, what is the syllabus which I'm going to be discussed, and what about the primitive data types which I had been discussed in yesterday class. Anyone practiced in the yesterday class? Oh, Saujanya practiced. What about other people? Am I audible to everyone? What about Sai Kiran?
No, sir, yesterday but today I will complete, sir.
Yeah, please complete it. I'm requesting because it is very important. I told you previously also. At least by this initial stages, if you practice, it means it should be very good.
Okay, sir, today I will complete.
Yeah. So coming to the today's class, let me try to discuss about like continuation of the previous class, like basics of the Salesforce, whatever it may be, like basics of Apex programming. Yesterday I discussed about there are two types of data types. One is a primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Yesterday I discussed about the primitive data types. Okay. And today I'm going to be discuss about a non-primitive data type. Hi Surendra.
Good morning, Venkat.
Good morning. You practiced yesterday class, Surendra? You attended
Yeah,
yesterday
Venkat.
class? Oh, then
Yes,
fine,
yes,
good.
yes.
So coming to the data types, there are two types of data types. Two types. One is primitive and another is a non-primitive. Okay, so primitive is nothing but integer, like a string. These are all the things. Non-primitive is nothing but like as we discussed, like uh, account. A non-primitive data type is nothing but S object data types, like account, contact. These are nothing but S object data types. Non-primitive data type and S object data type both are same. Okay. So yesterday I discussed about a primitive data types like integer, string, boolean, id, date, time, long. These are all the things which I discussed. So coming to the today, let me try to discuss about S object data types. Okay. So let's go to the developer console. Just I'm closing. This is the yesterday program which I created. Okay. Let me try to create a separate program. Second program. Click on new Apex class. Second program. Okay. Just I'm creating one method, public static void method 2. Okay, like there are two ways to insert an account or contact or whatever it may be. First step, mostly will follow this first way only. Okay, account is in this way. Just what is the object name? So we are able to inserting the account records now. What is the object name? Okay, this is the thing. Object name, instance name. Instance name is your wish. I'm saying again. Instance name is your wish. Okay, this is the thing. So we are dealing with account object. Account ACC is equal to new. Object name is account. In this way, just a minute. It is nothing but object creation. Everyone is seeing the screen. Everyone is able to see the screen. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So I'm inserting the
Yes.
account records. Okay, from my previously I inserted from the Salesforce org only. But here my requirement is I'm inserting the records from my this thing. Okay, just I'm inserting the Surendra records. Okay, I'm inserting these records. Active is a pick list value. Do you remember? Yes or no? I'm inserting these records. I'm not doing anything. Okay, after inserting the records, okay, just immediately in the debug logs, if you mention account.id, okay, that particular ID will be printed. This is my first way. Okay, mostly we'll follow the first way only. Not mostly 100%. Even I will follow the first way when we are inserting account, contact, or opportunity. And coming to second way. Second way will not follow because I'll tell you why. Okay, we need to manually type the field names. Okay, we need to manually type the field names. Whatever the field names I need required, whatever it may be, I need to type the things manually. Okay, I need to choose the field names from the backend. Every time you need to go to the backend, that particular object, and you need to retrieve the field names. See, every time you need to go to the backend and you need to retrieve the field names. Which one is easy? Which one is easy? Here, every time you need to go to, for example, if it's active field, here we have a less fields, but in real time we have more fields. Every time we need to go and copy that particular fields. If it's this approach, second way, which one is easy? Which approach
The
is
first one
easy?
is easy. First
Yeah,
one is
first
easy.
one is easy. Yeah. Why the reason is because when you mention ACC dot, immediately all the related fields will be displayed. Yeah. Okay, if you mention system dot debug of ACC, I'm just mentioning their ID. If you want to mention entire records, okay, entire records, ACC1. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you want to perform the operation, let me try to go to debug, open execute anonymous window, second program dot method one. Okay, just I'm clicking on execute. Immediately, data will be inserted. That particular ID and entire records will be loaded. You can able to see because I mentioned debug account dot ID. See, everyone able to see the records. These records with that particular ID also displayed. Yeah. Hi Manideep.
Hi Venkat, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, Manideep, you completed admin concepts, still relationships.
No. I want to join your next session, so I'm waiting for the next session.
Okay, 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 fine.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the records. Yeah, please complete still relationships concept, Mandeep, and you can easily understand this development. Okay, Mandeep,
Okay.
this is the thing. Just I'm inserting the account records with that particular ID. Okay, I'm copying this account ID. Okay, if you place it that particular account ID, just imagine I'm going to the account object from the backend. I'm placing the account ID. See, everyone able to see Surendra and Chandrasekhar records are inserted.
Venkat, I have a query.
Yes, please. What's your query?
Yeah, where do we get that account ID?
Yes, you have account ID here. You can copy and paste whatever you copied previously. You can paste here. You can able to see it. Okay. See, are
Oh,
you able to see?
yes, Venkat.
It's just for verification purpose. If you want to verify whether the record is inserted or not, you can do it. We cannot like we can
Oh,
also insert the like custom objects also. What are the custom objects we created previously? Anyone?
Venkat, can you please show me once again how to get account ID?
You can able to see under the execute anonymous window. Are you able to see?
No, not here. Can you please go to the arc and show me once again?
Yeah. So here top after slash. Okay.
Okay. When you're opening the account field, then we are able to get account ID as well, right, Venkat?
Yes. Immediately you can. Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you.
This is the thing. Okay. Not only we can able to insert the hiring manager object also. Okay. Just first of all, you need to mention the object name. Object name is if you don't know the object name, is go to that particular object name and you can copy that particular object name. Okay. Navigate to object manager and search. Okay. I'm copying that object name. Okay, just I'm inserting hiring manager name. So if you mentioned HR dot, immediately all the related details will be displayed. Okay, just I'm placing each and every details.
One more thing, can I ask? Otherwise,
Yes,
if I
please.
get yeah. Yesterday I had tried with the account ID with the dummy account ID. I didn't get any account ID from org. I just gave some random numbers,
No,
getting
no,
an
no,
error.
one
So
minute.
do we need?
1 minute, 1 minute. Yesterday I did not discuss this concept. Today only I
No,
started.
Venkat. In the first program itself, we are have using the data type ID is equal to ID. Some you have given
No, no, no. That particular
one
thing you
account
can.
ID. No,
1 minute, 1 minute. It's not an account ID. You can mention any of the thing. Just normal I mentioned. Okay. You can copy any
but
of the ID from the backend. Okay. You're about to say this. You can copy any of the ID. What? Just only for reference purpose. You can mention just normal numbers also. Okay.
yeah, yeah. That's why I gave some random number. It throws an error for me, Venkat.
What's the error you got?
ID value is not existing. Where?
I'm not sure. Just you can print it. Just here I'm printing it. That's it. Okay. ID. Just I'm
Yeah,
printing the value. You can able to see. I'm not doing
yeah. That's
anything
why
here.
I
Just.
gave. That's why I gave some random number
Mm,
instead of giving an account ID from org. But it throws an error. Today I will take a screenshot and will send you.
see like this you
After that,
got.
I just committed. Yes, invalid ID.
Okay, you can copy one of the ID from the backend. Okay, any of the ID, just copy. Okay,
After that, I just
okay, you can copy
commented
one
that
of the.
ID and
Okay, okay,
okay,
fine, fine.
Venkat, got it.
You can copy one of the ID from the backend and do it. Okay,
Okay. So do we
and
need
you
to
know,
get from org only? Is the mandatory one, right?
yes, you need to get from the org because in the org account ID opportunity, all the IDs have been presented for that records. Okay,
Okay, okay. Got it. Thank
yeah.
you.
Okay, just here I'm inserting the hiring manager record. Okay, if you want to see the entire record, system.debug of HR control is. Okay, now the hiring manager record will be inserted. Okay, if you want to see, and similarly I want to insert the position also. Okay, just for the position also we have an API name. What is the relationship in between the hiring manager to position?
Lookup relationship.
Yes, exactly. Okay, just I'm mentioning position name. Okay, just I'm inserting Salesforce position. Okay, every position have a hiring manager. Okay, definitely. So this particular hiring manager ID I'm interlinking here. Okay, I'm saying again, every position have the hiring manager. We know this. There is a lookup relationship. I am interlinking this hiring manager ID with this position. Okay, now I'm inserting the position. Yeah, everyone is understanding this concept. After inserting hiring manager, I inserted the position. Okay, just I interrelated that positions hiring manager with HR ID. Everyone able to understand this concept? Let me try to debug. Okay, this is a second program, not first program. Just you need to, I told you previously also, you need to mention class name dot method name. Okay, just method 2. This is method 2. And click on execute. Immediately now the second time also been inserted the account because previously inserted. Again I'm performing the operation. Now hiring manager also been inserted. Everyone able to observe? Hiring manager as well as a related position also inserted. If you want to check it. Okay, you can copy the hiring manager ID. You can copy the hiring manager ID. Just you can go to our Arizona application. Okay, just you can go to hiring manager. The recently only it is available mostly. If it is not available means you can copy it. I think Satvik only we created. If you want to verify. Mostly no need to copy also. Recent hiring manager only it will be presented. Related thing positions. Oh, what is this? Yes. Everyone able to observe the position? Okay, this position is interlinked with this hiring manager. Everyone able to observe this? Please respond. Everyone able to understand this?
Yes, Venkat.
Saujanya, everyone. Yeah. Surendra, Raju, this concept. Okay, this is nothing but a subject additives, but let me try to discuss some more things. Like I'm giving some assignment. Write an Apex program. First, my agenda is practice this thing. Write an Apex program to insert contact records. Everyone will do this. Okay, to insert opportunity records. Everything I have an answers, but I'll not provide now. If I provided means no use. I'll provide it later because I provided in separate files. First, you need to practice. Just you need to analyze the things. I think still here. Everyone will do this. These three programs, everyone please do the assignments. This is a thing. And 1 minute I'm sharing my screen. Okay, again I'm sharing once again. Okay, like just I discussed about previous concept, variables, data types, all these concepts. Okay, like let me try to discuss about operators. There are different types of operators are presented. Okay, like we have arithmetic operators, relational operators like this. Arithmetic operators are nothing but whenever if you are performing some calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these particular type of operation, then we have arithmetic operators. And coming to the relational operators, okay, coming to the relational operators. Okay, whenever if you are comparing the relationship in between the two values. Okay, like for example, just imagine like less than. Okay, if you want to compare. Okay, just you declared the things a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay, you need to compare. System don't know which one is greater and which one is lesser. You need to make system to understand and you need to whatever the requirement you need to get it. Okay, just I'm making if a less than 10. Okay, just I'm providing some output. Or a less than b, I'm getting some output. Okay, like this. Whenever if you are comparing two values, okay, like a less than b, a less than or equal to b, a greater than b, a greater than or equal to b, like this. Whenever if you are comparing the two values, then we can use these relationship operators and logical operators. Logical operators are nothing but whenever if you are preparing means whenever if you are performing the multiple conditions. Okay, like just imagine I'm saying I want to retrieve the records. Okay, I want to retrieve the records where industry is equal to agriculture and I want to retrieve the record. If this condition satisfied means I'm retrieving the records from the account object. Like whenever if you are Okay, whenever if this condition is satisfied. Okay, whenever if this condition is satisfied, immediately I'm retrieving that particular account records. If this condition is satisfied. Whenever if this condition is satisfied, immediately I'm retrieving the account records. And means all the conditions need to be satisfied. Or means at least one condition. Okay. Don't worry, I'll take the in example, then you can able to understand. Or means at least one condition is satisfied, means then I'll retrieve the records. Okay, and we have increment or decrement operators. Increment means just it is incrementing the data. Okay, you can able to see 1001. If you are mentioning plus plus, immediately it is incrementing to 1002. Okay, for example, if you mention minus minus, it is decrementing to 100. Okay, immediately 1002 is decrementing to 1001. Okay, decrement means it is decrementing one by one value. Increment means it is incrementing one by one value. Chandrasekhar, what is the output for this? Chandrasekhar, what is the output for this? Saujanya, what is the output for this?
Value incrementing. 1 plus
Yes,
1.
yes. I'm asking the output.
Two,
Who
Venkat.
will win?
Okay, okay. What is the output, Chandrasekhar, for this?
Oh,
Saujanya, anyone?
Five,
Hmm?
two,
five, sir.
Venkat.
Five. Five
Two,
minus minus I mentioned.
four, Venkat.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Decrementing means it is decrementing by one. Okay. Incrementing means it is incrementing by one, whatever it may be. This is the thing. Yeah, I'll use all this. Don't worry. Yeah. And assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing but assigning the data. Assignment operator is nothing but we are assigning the data. For example, there are different types of operators. Okay, if you declared integer balance amount equal to 25,000. Okay, if you mention balance amount plus is equal to, means just I'm assigning. Okay, this 25,000 with 4,000. What is the output here? 25,000 plus 4,000. What is the balance amount now? Now the balance amount is 29,000. Just
20.
this is the thing. Okay, let's see. Let's create some Apex programming. Hello world I printed. Let's see. Write an Apex program to define two variables and print the values. They're saying that I need to define the two variables. Okay, let's see. Just how to define the two variables. First program, second program I completed. Let us create third program. Why I'm creating a multiple programs means you can able to understand. Even in the single program also you can implement by creating a separate methods. Public static void, you can mention method 1, method 2, method 3, anything. It's method name, it's your wish. For example, if you have second program with Apex class, if you want to create again second program, it is not possible. It will show duplicate. Yeah, and this thing, like now what I'm doing, just I'm declaring the two variables. Integer a equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. If you want to print this data, system.debug of, just I'm printing this data. In one line I'm printing instead of printing separate line. How it should be? Click on debug, open execute anonymous window, third program. What is the output, Surendra, now? What is the output now? Surendra, what is the output? Saujanya, what is the output?
11. 11 and 20 itself, Venkat.
11 and
Yeah.
21.
I'm not mentioning plus plus. I'm mentioning only plus. You can able to
Only
observe.
one plus.
Yes.
Okay. Just I'm adding. Okay, this quotation 10 and space 20. That's it. You can able to see. See 10, 20. That's it. Okay.
But we
Just
are
I'm
incrementing A plus
I'm
plus.
not doing plus plus Saujanya here. I'm doing just I'm adding
Yes.
these quotes. That's it.
Yeah,
I'm not
got it,
increasing.
Venkat.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see. Okay, they are saying that I need to create and perform all the mathematical operations. We have mathematical operations like integer, subtraction, multiplication, all these things. Let's perform this. Okay, just I'm storing the result, whatever it may be the result here. A plus B. Okay, system.debug of addition. Just I'm performing addition. Okay, result is equal to A minus B. Okay, just I'm performing multiplication. Okay, just I'm mentioning the result. 10 into 200. 10 into 20. Okay, and here I'm performing division A by B. System.debug of division. And here you can perform the modulus. Result is equal to math.mod. Just I'm performing modulus. Okay, it's not possible to mention like this. It is entirely long. That's why I'm mentioning mod function. System.debug of. It is a reminder value. I'm saying again, it's a reminder value. Mm. Okay, you can able to see the output. You can click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Immediately if you click on execute, just you can able to see in the log execute anonymous window if you click on debug only. Yes, everyone able to see the output? Yeah, this is the thing. Division 0 because 20 by 10 0. Okay, 10 to 20 0. Okay, reminder 10 you can able to see. Yes. Everyone able to understand this?
Hmm.
But one thing I want to convey in the real time, we'll get the data from the LWC component or like whatever it may be, or the customer data, whatever it may be you entered. Okay, you'll not get the data like this. Okay, you can mention like this. I'm saying again to everyone, in real time, we'll not get the data from the user entered data. We need to, for example, if Raju entered 1020, you need to get the 1020 output. For example, if Saujanya entered 3040, you need to get the 3040 output. Is it correct or not? It's not it needs to be unique to any one of the integers or whatever it may be, not specifically to the values. Okay, for example, here I am performed 40 comma 50 or 50 comma 10. Immediately the details related 50 10 will be calculated. You can able to see. This is the thing. Everyone understand any queries here? Please respond because I can able to know if you're not able to understand means.
Yeah, Venkat, understood.
Okay, fine. Other people? Other people, only I got response from few people. What about other people? Okay, fine. Okay, now my another thing is I'm creating another. If you want to create means here only you can create it, but I'm creating a separate class. Okay, here I'm saying that I need to calculate this simple interest. Anyone know simple interest? Here everyone knows simple interest. Yeah, it's common, simple interest. Like when we are going to the bank, okay, for example, if you are taking loan, okay, they are saying that 70 percentage of interest means for 1 lakh 70 percentage of interest means 700. Okay, for example, if 1 lakh 1 rupee interest means monthly 1000 rupees we can pay. For example, if 1 lakh 2 rupees interest means okay 200%, like we are paying 2000 monthly. Okay, like how to calculate the simple interest. There is a formula for the simple interest, principal into time into rate by 100. Yeah. Okay, just I'm creating in the same method instead of creating a separate apex class. If you want means you can create separate apex class and method. Okay, just I'm calculating the simple interest. Okay, decimal simple interest. First you need to first you need to declare the variables. I'm saying again. First you need to declare the variables. Okay, just if you need to declare the variables through execute anonymous window, just you can mention here. Yeah, principal into time into rate by 100. This is the formula. Don't by head. This is the formula. Just let's see. Okay, just if you want to get the maturity amount, for example, if you deposited 1 lakh, okay, just interest is 24,000. What is the maturity amount? What is the maturity amount, Surendra? Principal plus your simple interest. 1 lakh plus 24,000. 1,24,000 is your maturity amount. Okay, just I'm performing. Just I'm saving this data. Okay, when I'm saving this data, it is throwing error. The reason is because this is the thing. Now it has been saved successfully. Okay, method 2. Okay, just I'm making 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, time I'm mentioning 1 year. Okay, rate I'm mentioning 1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100% I'm mentioning. Let's see what will be going to be happen. Okay, time 12 months. Let's see what will be. Click on execute. Yes, 12 months. I think maturity amount, it should be simple interest is 12 lakh. Okay, I think I need to mention one. Simple interest is 1 lakh. Maturity amount is a 2 lakhs. Everyone able to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone able to see? Yeah, this is the thing. Just I'm calculating some simple interest. That's it. Yeah. Like this, let me try to. You can. What is the formula for area of triangle? The people are there or listening or not? Manideep,
Length
Raju.
into
What's the formula?
length into breadth.
Yes,
Length
not.
into
I
breadth.
think
1
length
by
into breadth.
2 length into width.
Yeah, area of triangle. Just copy it. See, breadth into height by 2 or length, anything. Breadth into height by 2. You can mention. If you want to calculate area of triangle, how you'll calculate? Public static void. Okay, length into breadth by 2. Integer.
Venkat.
Yes, please.
Yeah, in a single class, how many methods we can declare when Venkat?
We can
More
create
than
any
one?
number of methods. No, 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 no. There is no restriction.
Okay, Venkat. Okay.
Okay, just you can able to see length into breadth by 2. Okay, system.debug if you want to get area of triangle. Let's see, I'll get an output or I'll get an error. Okay, let me try to go to debug, open, execute anonymous window. Just I'm mentioning method 3. Okay, let me try to click on execute. See null pointer exception at line 38. I think I need to declare because there is no values I passed. Okay, I did not pass any values. That's why I'm getting null pointer exception. If you did not pass any values, you'll get null pointer exception. I did not discuss about exceptions. I'll discuss in later part. See, everyone able to see area of triangle 100? This is the thing. Okay, this is a complete idea. Just normally in the similarly, kindly please do implement these assignments. Find the area of rectangle. Rectangle is length into breadth. If you need area of trapezium, don't worry. Just try to search for area of trapezium formula. Try from your end because you need to practice it. I have answers. If I provide answers means no use. Okay, just you need to mention a plus b into h. Okay, a b h. You need to declare the values integer, decimal. Okay, decimal a is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b into h. This is the thing. Yes, everyone will do this. Everyone is understanding or feeling difficulty. Please respond.
Yeah,
Please
Venkat,
respond.
understanding.
What about Chandrasekhar? I think he's not responding. I think he's in work or not. What?
Uh, yes, sir, I understand, but a little bit confused.
Hmm? It's
I don't
dependent
know
on the
about
previous class.
complete programming, so a little bit confusing. So that's okay.
Yeah, don't confuse. Just practice the things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See
After
the recording once
practice,
again and please practice it. Okay.
okay. Need to get to know after practice.
Okay. And another thing, like there are different types of conditional statements. Why the conditional statements means, for example, if you want to apply the logic, if the condition is true, okay, then we can perform one action. If the condition is false, okay, then we can perform other actions or whatever it may be. There are different types of conditional statements like if else if, nested if, like this. I'll tell you what is this. Okay, previously, for example, here, if means only one condition, whatever it may be, you can apply. If the condition is true, then you can apply this logic. Okay, if else means true condition. Okay, for example, if the condition is true, okay, then we can perform this true for if the condition. Okay, just okay, if the condition is not true, then we can perform this logic. Okay, if you want to apply some multiple conditions, not a single condition. If you want to apply the multiple conditions, okay, then this logic will be, for example, if, okay, then this logic will be obtained. If another condition, condition 3, okay, this logic. If not entirely, then another condition. This is the logic else. Okay, like this. Like this, we use it to get the things. if there is a multiple conditions. Okay, but mostly we are going with if else only if there is a multiple condition. Switch also when you are dealing with multiple conditions. Switch also when you are dealing with multiple conditions. But I'll explain one use case on the switch also, but switch we are not using. Mostly we are having a multiple condition and then we are going with if else only. Yeah. And nested if. Nested if means, okay, let us go one by one. Okay, just I'm explaining the syntaxes. These are the condition. For example, I'm retrieving the records if rating is equal to hot. Just I'm retrieving the record if second number is greater than records. If account industry is equal to finance, I'm creating some SQL query. Just here I'm applying some basics. When I do furthermore in future, then you can able to understand. Okay. Let us see. Write an Apex program to perform the mathematical operations. Previously I created this. Yeah, let us go. And let's apply if condition there. Yeah, this is the thing. Here I'm applying the if condition. For example, if b is greater than 0, then only we will go further here. Shift tab, you can all the content will be aligned. Okay, otherwise b is less than 0, not less than or equal to 0, not possible because it raises an infinite. 1 by 0 is infinite, okay, because it goes to infinity. You can able to see here if the condition is here b is greater than 0, then only I'm going to this, otherwise I'm not going to this. Everyone is understanding what I written here? Chandrasekhar, why I written this? For example, 1 by 0 will goes to infinity. For example, if b, the second value is greater than 0, then only it will be entered to this. Otherwise, I'll get this result. Let me try to go to debug. What is the output now? What is the output I'll get? I think this is a method one now. Yeah. Surendra, what is the output I'll get? Surendra. Okay, A is mapped to 20 and B is mapped to 0. What is the output now I'll get?
Anything by zero is zero now.
I'll get this because it is
Anything by
0.
zero is zero.
Yeah, it's not. If it's a greater than 0, then only I'll go to this. Okay. See, this is the thing. Okay, so we have other programs also. Yeah, but let me try it. I think it's in overloaded. I can understand the people. Everyone is understanding or it's in overloaded. Saujanya, Chandrasekhar, Surendra.
Overload, sir. Actually, I don't know about complete
Programming.
programming.
No
Seriously.
worries. Please
So
practice. See the recording once
I
again,
need to
practice it.
practice.
That's it. Okay, that's a tip
Yes,
I
sir.
want to give. Yeah. The people who don't know programming also, they had successfully placed after it. That's not panic. Just see the video once again and practice it. Okay, that's it, Chandrasekhar. For
Okay, sir.
example, the people, okay, who know somewhat programming, if they studied for 1 hour, you can study for 2 to 3 hours. For Next 1 month, that's it, nothing other than that. Okay, then you will be compare both will be equal. Okay, Saujanya, are you clear? Surendra, Raju, Manideep.
Yes, Venkat is clear.
Okay, so let's meet tomorrow. This is about today's class. Okay, I uploaded the notes also, but please check the things whatever we completed. Don't practice other things. Okay, this is about today's class. I'm stopping the recording. Thank you everyone. Okay, first step is need to practice what are the things which I teach in the class. If you have time means you can practice assignments. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you everyone. I'll stop the recording. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow.